Welcome back. A challenging but rewarding venture, the assertions from the new owners of the Gulf View Hotel in Mandeville, Manchester, who have been making new moves in central Jamaica. With this week's edition of the Business Review, here's Cody and Barrett.
Dubbed the retirement capital of Jamaica, Manchester has a reputation for serenity and privacy. For years, residents have had to travel to neighboring parishes for certain types of entertainment. An observation Peter Campbell and his wife Kemily Campbell made when they left Kingston to work in the parish for some time. So when a 28-year-old hotel which stood next to the oldest golf course in the Caribbean went up for sale, they decided to take the plunge. With a business loan and his savings, he purchased the hotel in 2019, and the aim was to give persons in and around central Jamaica an outlet to de-stress.
We think that's also a very critical part of our social responsibility, and by so doing, we would impact a lot of areas of our country, and crime being one such, because if it is that persons have a meaningful employment, then they will defer from doing other stuff.
The plans for community involvement were set in motion, and the hotel was in full operation. But when the pandemic hit, things slowed down. The hotel took a hit of 85% of normal earnings, and it was forced to send staff home. Shortly after, the government mandated all hotels to be closed.
During that closure, we also took the opportunity to do a lot of renovation. It was ideal time, and we took advantage of it, because we here at the Gulf View, we have a tendency to not focus on the negative, but to see the good in every opportunity that presented itself. And we grabbed the opportunity and did a lot of renovation during the down period. So when we reopened, we were in a much better position to serve.
By May 2021, the hotel could rehire, and it has no intention of slowing down employment anytime soon. The most recent addition, the Latitude Lounge, consists of a bar, restaurant, and a casino, the first of its kind in central Jamaica.
We saw the need to provide, so outside of the financial benefits and the financial gain, we're also big on our social contribution. We just don't want to be in the community, but we want to be a part of the community. And not just a part of the community having a figurehead, but to be active in our implementation, active in our social responsibility. And of such, Latitude was also designed, bearing in mind, with giving persons an outlet, a place that they could go, get quality food, quality service, excellent ambiance, and everywhere you turn in Latitude, it's perfect for a photo.
A hangout spot with a strict formal dress code. And although the pandemic has slowed down renovation plans, the couple hopes it will be finished in another 4 years, but anticipates that within 2 years, the hotel will start to be profitable again. As for his vision of the hotel,
outside of golfing and a hotel, we plan to offer a lot more. We plan to offer, for example, a viable outlet for our kids, whether it be swimming, whether it be music lessons. So the offering will be wide, and the name Gulf View may or may not encompass all that. So it's a much needed discussion that we'll need to have at the end of our renovation process.
Cody and Barrett, TVJ News.